Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fit, fine, taking good care of yourself. You all know me. I am your English teacher Archana Singh, welcoming you all in my English class. In our previous class, what we have done, we have already done shop in the ship, right? We have also done sh sound words. That was a new type of words we have learnt in our previous class. Okay, we have understood the chapters also. In inside chapter there was sh words, we have learned that words also, isn't it? So today we will do the exercises of the chapter. Okay, and we will try to solve out the question and answers of the exercises, right? And I hope you will all enjoy it, and you will be able to answer the questions also. Okay, so that I can recognize, or I can see that you people have also learnt the words and understood the chapter. Okay, so let's start the exercises. Come on. So let's start the question answers from the chapter ship in the shop, right? If students, if you can't see the writing of the question answers as I have written in pencil, whatever I am explaining, please follow my words. Okay, so the very first question is, where is Shelly? Shelly is on the seashore. Shelly is on the seashore. Where is the big ship? The big ship is in the sea. Where is the fish shop? The fish shop is in the ship. Who touches the fish? Shiva touches the fish. Where does Shelly rush to? Shelly rushes to the shed. Okay. So as we have already studied sh sound words in our previous chapter and sh sound words, so here are some words given where we have to find out where are sh sound words. See, read the given words and encircle sh sound words. Also write them in the space given below. See, I have already done for you. push, push, shop, shop, then brush, brush, fish, fish, shout, shout. Like this, it's a type of word game. Like this, I'll also give you in the class some words relating to sh sound words, and you people have to find out in which word the sound sh exists, right? It's a very interesting game, word game, and I hope you people will also like it. Okay, and then you have to write it over here as I have selected the words, and you will fill it in the blanks. Push, shop, brush, shout, fish are the words of sound sh, right? There are more sounds as we have read in our earlier class also, earlier chapter also. In the previous chapter also there are more sh sound words we have learned. Okay, so any word, if it is allowed or given to write from the sound sh, I think you will be able to write it down. Okay, so I'll repeat the question answers once again. Where is Shelly? Shelly is in the seashore. Shelly is on the seashore, right? Where is the big ship? The big ship is in the sea. Where is the fish shop? The fish shop is in the ship. Who touches the fish? Shiva touches the fish. Where does Shelly rush to? Shelly rushes to the shed, right? And the words I have already repeated: push, shop, brush, shout, fish. Okay, so the question answers and the exercises are completed from the chapter ship in the shop in the ship. I hope you enjoyed the chapter and the question answers also. Okay, and if from the chapter also we can frame many questions like, where is Shelly? Shelly is on the seashore. What is Shelly wearing? Shelly is wearing red shoes, right? Shelly washes 3 shells. What does Shiva wears? Shiva wears a green shirt, isn't it? There is a big ship in the sea. What is in the sea? There is a big ship in the sea. Right? Shelly shows a red shawl. Shelly and Shiva are now in the ship. There is a fish shop. The fish shop was open. Okay, it was not shut means it was open. The shop is in the ship. Right? Many such words we learned. Okay. So I hope you are all clear to the chapter and the exercises which we have done, and I hope you will be able to write down the question answers and the especially the sh sound words. Okay, so by this I'll end my class. I hope you enjoyed the chapter and the exercises, and all of you will write it in your English copy. Okay, as well as in the book as well as in the English copy. Okay, so I'll end my class. So all of you take care. Do your work and assignments on time. Send me on time. Respect your teachers and elders. Stay at home. Listen your parents. Study hard. And take a very good care of yourself and your parents. Right? And do stay at home. It's very important. Okay? And study hard. Right? And whatever any issues, any problem, you can ask me. Okay, so all of you, bye, take care, see you in the next class. Bye students, take care and have a very nice day to all of you. Bye, take care all of you.